Preventive actions focus on eliminating potential issues before they occur, while continuous improvement ensures that organizations consistently enhance their processes, products, and compliance. Both are essential for maintaining high-quality standards and reducing risks. In this lesson, we'll cover 1. What are preventive actions and why are they important? 2. How preventive actions differ from corrective actions. 3. Steps to implement effective preventive actions. 4. Continuous improvement strategies for long-term success. By mastering these concepts, organizations can proactively prevent failures, optimize performance, and drive sustainable growth. 1. What are preventive actions and why are they important? A preventive action is a proactive measure taken to eliminate potential causes of defects, risks, or nonconformities before they happen. It helps organizations reduce waste, rework, and operational costs, improve efficiency, safety, and compliance, strengthen customer trust and satisfaction. 2. How preventive actions differ from corrective actions. Although both are part of quality management and risk prevention, they serve different purposes. Corrective action reacts to existing problems, eliminates the root cause of a nonconformity. Preventive action prevents potential problems, identifies and mitigates possible risks. 3. Steps to implement effective preventive actions. Step 1. Identify potential risks and trends. Use risk assessments, customer feedback, and audit reports to spot recurring issues. Conduct failure mode and effects analysis to anticipate weak points. Step 2. Develop a preventive action plan. A strong preventive action plan includes identified risk or potential issue, action steps to eliminate the risk, person responsible for implementation, timeline for execution, monitoring method to measure effectiveness. Step 3. Implement and monitor preventive actions. Train employees on new procedures and risk management practices. Monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, to track success. Adjust strategies based on feedback and audit findings. 4. Continuous improvement strategies for long-term success. Preventive actions should be integrated into a culture of continuous improvement, ensuring long-term sustainability. Key continuous improvement strategies. Plan, Do, Check, Act (PDCA) cycle, a structured approach to implement and refine preventive measures. Kaizen continuous improvement, encouraging small incremental changes to optimize performance. Six Sigma and Lean principles, using data-driven methods to reduce defects and inefficiencies. Employee involvement, engaging workers in identifying and solving potential risks. Key takeaways. Preventive actions eliminate potential risks before they become issues, reducing waste and improving efficiency. Corrective actions fix existing problems, while preventive actions proactively address future risks. A structured preventive action plan includes risk identification, action steps, responsibilities, and monitoring. Continuous improvement strategies like PDCA, Kaizen, and Six Sigma help maintain long-term operational success. By integrating preventive actions and continuous improvement, organizations can achieve higher quality, reduce costs, and sustain long-term growth. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to conduct effective follow-up audits to ensure corrective and preventive actions are sustained over time.